Welcome to WTHR Plus. Want to give you kind of an expanded forecast as we track the potential of severe weather on Tuesday. It is a weather impact alert day. It's a storm system that we've been tracking now for about a week. Remember back to last week, the Storm Prediction Center had already put central Indiana under that highlighted area of severe potential, and that does continue. I'm going to highlight that area for you in just a second. But a quick reminder here on WTHR Plus, we will be streaming radar as the storms move in. You will get live team coverage as the storms impact central Indiana, updates on watches and warnings. And obviously this is a download on your TV. And if you've got friends that are confused about WTHR Plus and what the difference it is from maybe the app on your phone, just remind them WTHR Plus is a download on your TV. You find it on Roku, Fire TV, or Apple TV. And this is, again, on television, not on your cell phone, but the app is a great way to stay informed too, especially if you're on the go. Weather impact alert day on Tuesday, late morning through the afternoon hours. The approximate timeline, or the when, is from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. The impacts, can't rule out some large hail, but the primary threats with this storm system will be damaging winds and heavy rain. What you need to do is follow the forecast closely. Make sure you have the app on your phone and the alerts turned on, and just be prepared to put your safety plan into action if and when we get any warnings on Tuesday. It's going to be warm again. We had highs in the low 80s on Monday. We'll be close to 80 again on Tuesday. Warm, muggy, kind of a summertime feel with off and on rain and storms. Now, if you do have outdoor plans, best advice is to check the radar before and during those plans, as we're going to be monitoring a line of thunderstorms moving in. Still a little up in the air on exact timeline, and I say that because there's a chance that the storms that we're tracking out to our west tonight that have been responsible for confirmed tornado warnings, if some of this holds together, impacts central Indiana early in the day, and we stick with clouds and maybe some off and on rain and storms early on Tuesday, that would lower that severe threat later in the day. That's just something we're going to be watching for you hour by hour as we get into Tuesday. But late Monday evening, tornado watches were highlighted. Again, several confirmed tornado warnings within this line, and we will watch this move south and east over the next several hours. We are not expecting anything strong to severe overnight, but what is out west, we will be watching for how it holds together, and that's something Lindsay and Chuck will have for you on Sunrise on WTHR. That starts at 4 a.m. on Tuesday. So the severe threat overnight is out west. Does include all of central Indiana, again highlighted here in yellow from the Storm Prediction Center, level 2 on our scale of 1 to 5. One really good piece of news here is the tornado probability. At this point, doesn't include anybody in the state of Indiana. Now, could we have a stray storm that produces some rotation? Sure, that is a threat with thunderstorms, and especially within the environment that this weather system is dealing with. But right now, all indications are that threat will be off to our east. So we'll focus on damaging wind and the potential of some heavy rain. 11 o'clock on Monday night, we are still clear. What holds together from that line out west will impact parts of the area early on Tuesday. This is Tuesday at 8 a.m. and this is something that we'll update you on throughout the day. If we do get the clouds, if we do have some showers and thunderstorms early, that coverage is important because it would keep the atmosphere locally a little more stable and would displace the severe threat a little farther south and a little farther east. That's something we're going to be watching hour by hour on Tuesday. Right now, we're sticking with that strong to severe storm potential, especially during the afternoon and early evening hours. This is going to move pretty quickly. Should be out of here by 7, 8 o'clock Tuesday evening. But the overall weather pattern remains active. Not expecting severe storms on Wednesday. There will be some dry time early, but additional rain and thunder expected in the afternoon and evening hours. And as we look ahead at the next 7 days, a fairly active pattern. And right now, Thursday looking like the next washout in terms of rain and storms, and then we get another rain chance in here on Friday. So weather impact alert day on Tuesday. Have several ways to get warnings. Make sure you have the app on your phone, WTHR Plus on your TV, so you can watch the team coverage, or you can watch radar as we track these storms into central Indiana. Should be out of here by the time we get into the evening hours, so that 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. time frame on Tuesday for that severe threat. Rain late in the day, maybe a few rumbles of thunder Wednesday, 74. Right now looking like a washout on Thursday, showers and storms. Friday, late day rain chance and even cooler, 68. And then we really get cool as we start the weekend. It is the month of May. Yes, it starts this weekend. We've got the mini marathon on Saturday morning. We've got Rev Indy on Saturday evening. Temperatures will be in the 60s to start the weekend, and then the 70s to wrap up the weekend. Stick with us on WTHR Plus. And again, you've got several ways to stay informed with the weather. The app on your phone, WTHR Plus on your television. We will continue to update the blog and the videos just to help you prepare for that severe storm threat and the weather impact alert day on Tuesday.